Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. First of all, we want to say thanks for joining us, thanks for drawing with us, thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out, helps support us, helps us buy new markers and paper and make new drawings. So we appreciate it. So today's drawing is, we didn't receive any requests for this player. However, as a fan of basketball, this is one of probably my favorite player at the moment. Anthony Edwards of the Minnesota Timberwolves. Anthony Edwards, nicknamed Ant or Ant-Man. Anthony Edwards played for the Georgia Bulldogs in college, was the first overall pick in 2020. He was born and raised in Atlanta, Georgia. People say he's the next Michael Jordan, meaning he can dunk and fly through the air like Michael Jordan. I don't know if anyone will be like Michael Jordan, but this guy was an all-star. He's an all-around dunk machine. If you have not seen Anthony Edwards play, or if you have not seen his highlights, I highly advise you ask your parents. Go to YouTube, watch Anthony Edwards, Minnesota Timberwolves dunk, and he will impress you. I really like this kid. So inspired by the Anthony Edwards basketball rookie card, me and my son, we collect sports cards and I love this card. Anthony Edwards, here we go. Find the center of the page up and down, the center of the page across, get your dark marker. We will do Anthony Edwards' head right up here. So Anthony Edwards has kind of a wider jaw. And around that cheek, come down to a point. Not really a point, but kind of a flat chin, but angle up and round up that cheek. Okay? A couple of ears on the side. These are just sideways ovals. Now his hair kind of bulges out and goes around on the top, so we'll go up from the ear, and then do some squiggly. I always go too high. I don't leave myself enough paper. Do you guys have that problem? I need more paper up there. What am I thinking? Anyway. All right, so his hairline's gonna angle in, go up, and then round to connect the hairline. A couple of eyes over here. They're gonna be like sideways jelly beans this time, not round. He's a smiley player, so we're gonna do a small arch on this side, and then round up, down, round up, down. This just gives the illusion that he's smiling. Circle on the inside, and another circle in the corner, and an arch, and we're going to color in these eyes with our dark marker, leaving those circles and that arch white. Those are the highlights. Highlight meaning those are the reflections of the sun or the lights in the stadium that all of us have. So if you look at somebody in the eye, you're going to notice that there are highlights reflecting off their eyeball, and that really brings someone to life. So we're going to quickly get a light blue marker and fill in this arch area with our blue. I like to say this is the reflection of the stadium lights, or maybe the reflection of the blue sky if he's outside. But also it brings some interest to our character. All right. Next, we are going to draw an arch for an eyebrow, an arch on top. These are smaller eyebrows. Okay. So basically it's an arch and then filled in with black. Now find the edge of your eye, come down a little ways, make a dot. Edge of this eye, come down, make a dot. Usually the nose is the same width as the gap between the eyes. That's how you know how to draw a nose. Okay, so where these dots are, we're gonna do small arch for the nostrils, small arch for the nostrils, and I'm gonna fill in kind of like a sideways raindrop, okay? And then an arch on the side, and I'm gonna bring it down and connect those nostrils. Okay, Anthony Edwards nose. You know what, let's bring this guy over for inspiration. I just like that. All right, cool. So let's do a mouth. He's smiling. He's got a big smile. Here's the center of the mouth. We're gonna go up and out, up and out, like a long bird. Okay, start at this corner, come down, flat, and up. And I like to color in the corner of the mouth, just makes it look a little better. Do a line under the lip and trace that top lip for the top lip. All right, he's got a little mustache, so we're gonna scribble up and down, stop, scribble up and down as we move out toward the side of his mouth, stop. And he has some smile lines, line out, line out. He's got this little chin beard, so scribble on the bottom of the chin here. Make some whiskers. Okay. And then I like to do a line up for a smile. He's got a big smile, so why not? All right, let's do the neck. Straight down, down, to a point, and connect. Shoulder out for the jersey, shoulder out for the jersey. There's your little armpit area. Round it out toward the edge of the page. Angle into the waist. Straight across. Stop. Come from this armpit, angle down to the waist and connect. Let's do the shorts. Angle out. Angle out. In. Make a big V, well, an upside down V. Connect that leg. Okay, let's do the leg coming down to the ankle, down, start wide and come narrow to the ankle. Okay, let's do some shoes. Oversized shoes for our cartoons. There's the tongue of the shoe, there's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Rounded toe, stop. Straight across to the heel, stop. Boom. Bring this heel rounded and stop. Straight across to the edge of the page, stop. And connect that shoe. All right, let's do a big basketball up here. Best you can. Circle. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingers dribbling that basketball. Bump his shoulder out. Bump his shoulder out. Bump the arm into the basketball so it's hiding back there. And bump it into the basketball. Let's make him holding a fist, you know, like he's giving us a fist bump. He's having a good time. He just dunked hard on somebody, so here we go. Big arch. 1 knuckle, 2 knuckles, 3 knuckles. So there's 1 knuckle, 2 knuckles, 3 knuckles, 4 knuckles. Arch down. Bump, bump. Okay, let's bring his thumb, start on the side. Connect. Okay. Big bump into that knuckle. Bump, bump. Okay. Anthony Edwards, he's blocked in. All right, let's do his jersey really quick and then we'll do fast forward. So we are going to get our dark blue. We're not doing this jersey exactly, so follow me. We're gonna get a dark blue pointed tip and we are going to arch, come straight across and stop. Start at the shoulder and arch down. Got it. So this area is going to be filled in with dark blue. Okay. Keep this blue available. Now get your light blue, just a lighter blue. smaller arch, straight across, small arch. Now we're going to connect this little section, and this area will be filled in with light blue on the fast forward. Now on the shorts, let's do this. Light blue, light blue. We'll fill this in with light blue, and then get our dark blue back. We'll do a dark blue down here on the bottom. We'll fill this section in with dark blue. Okay? Now let's do the number 1. He's number 1. Straight across, down, over, down, over, and connect. That will be a dark blue number 1. And I'm gonna write the word wolves. Here we go. W O L V, because he plays for the Timberwolves of Minnesota. Cool, we pretty much got him blocked in. So we're gonna do a stripe down here on a shoe. That'll be filled in. Stripe on the shoe, and that'll be filled in. Okay, we have Anthony Edwards of the Minnesota Timberwolves. Ant-Man, superstar dunk machine. Go watch this guy. You're gonna love him. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're gonna fast forward now. If you need to stop or pause, please do so. Fast forward now.